5분 만에 500만원 받는 법 알려드릴게요. 이거 진짜 느는 방법이라 아무나 따라할 수 있습니다. 아직 막히기 전에 얼른 써보세요. 이 앱만 다운로드하면 돼요. 신규 유저한테는 무려 75만원 보너스를 바로 주거든요. 이거 그냥 카드로 출금도 가능합니다. 근데 영상 끝까지 보는 게 좋아요. 여기 비기파스라는 게임이 있는데 그냥 버튼만 누르면 조합이 뜨고 돈이 계속 불어납니다. 저도 몇 번 눌러봤는데 결과가 이겁니다. 진짜로 500만원 바로 따서 카드로 옮기고 ATM에서 바로 뽑았어요. 여러분도 앱 깔고 한번 해보세요. 가봅시다.
Hey there, it's Jitterybug. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are starting fresh, and look at this gorgeous area. I did do a little bit of searching for this location, so I'll have the seed and the coordinates in the description. But I am so excited. I love the early game Minecraft where all your worries are just punching trees and finding coal and iron. So let's get started. If you guys don't know me, I'm Jitterybug. I make pretty chill Let's Plays on YouTube, and I do a little bit of streaming here and there. We will definitely be streaming in this world very soon. So if you're into Let's Plays, maybe consider hitting that subscribe button and like the video if you are enjoying it. I do think that I want to find some pale oak wood. I haven't built with it yet. I haven't built with any pale oak yet, so we are going to have to pick out like a color scheme, a block palette for our builds. It'll be different. Our last world, we did tough and spruce, and then our current hardcore world, we are doing granite and cobble. So yeah, we'll have to find something that's going to work really well with the pale oak. Also, I'll have to find some pale oak. I think there was some around here, but I have absolutely no idea what direction it's in. And I also don't really know what I want to do. Oh, a zombie burned. Beautiful. Yeah, I also don't know what I want to do in terms of like where I want to build and what style I want to build in. So it might be a second before we really start getting into building over here. Let's go in this direction. I love this area, so I do think that we are going to base in this general location, but of course, we're going to have to go gather some materials, and there's a little cave back there. But I do see some like stony shore type stuff over here, and there's water down this way, which would be great for farming. So I am going to jump on over. Oh, there's a little bit of coal right here. Maybe I will quickly grab some coal. We don't want to be floundering when it gets to nighttime. We do need the cobble as well, so I'm going to grab as much of that as I can. Okay, perfect. Let's make a couple of torches, and then maybe a stone axe and a stone pickaxe. And let's continue going this way to these stony hills, cliffs thing. I don't even know what this is considered. I guess we can check the biome when we get over there. Oh, and there's maybe some underwater caving we can do. That would be maybe a good way to get some materials. I can make a door. Oh yes, underwater cave for the win. Okay, I want to go over here first though. Okay, lots of coal right on the surface. Don't mind if I do. The sun may be going down pretty soon here, so I don't want to spend forever getting all of this coal. We can definitely leave some. Okay, there's iron up there. If I can get this iron and I can find... Oh, what is this? Okay, this is a stony shore. But yes, if I can get this iron, I can get some sheep, and that would be great. There's a sheep. Okay, let's make a furnace. Why is all my cobble split up like that? Weird. Put some coal in there. I see more iron. Lovely. Oh, and more iron. This is great. This is a really nice area to start. Let's make our shears. I do only see the one sheep. So if we can keep that sheep around, we can maybe get enough wool for a bed without having to kill him. Wow. Okay, thank you, sheep. See, guys, this is why you make shears. The sheep will bless you. Alright, I'm just gonna wait for this... Oh, there's more sheep down there. Anyways, I'm gonna wait for this iron to finish smelting. Maybe we'll go shear those sheep down there. Let's make a bed while we're at it. The sheep is at the top of the hill. But yeah, this is just so pretty. I feel like it'd be really fun to build on top of the cliffs, you know? I think that'd be great. It's very, very mountainous. There's probably ancient cities down there. Down in the ground. Don't know how I feel about that. But we will cross that bridge when we get to it. I guess, okay, let me maybe kind of note down where we are, because I do want to go over there to build. Okay. We have our bed. I'm going to go this way in search of pale oak wood. And maybe we'll get some spruce saplings and stuff as well before we go and settle down. Do a quick sleep. Okay. I see some pumpkins. Pumpkins are a nice source of food. Oh, and there's sugarcane as well. Perfect. Let's grab some of that. Oh, more iron. Take that. I feel like monsters are going to come crawling out of that cave there, though. Let's take a peek in. Okay, I don't see anything. Seems to be moderately safe. Okay, let's keep going this way. We'll snag a few pumpkins so we can make pumpkin pie. If we find some eggs, at least. Oh, there's cherry wood up there. Hello, chickens. I'm gonna need to get food. I just don't want to be too close to where we're gonna base and start killing off all the animals, you know? Sorry, sheep. I need the food. I guess we can maybe climb to the top of this hill and do a little lookout. We're looking for dark oak because that means that there might be pale oak nearby. And there's snow up here. Okay. I don't want to go in the snow because we could sink down into the snow. Oh, there's a jungle that way. All right. I don't think that's what we want. Okay, I do need to get more food now. I guess while we're over here, let's get some cherry leaves or cherry saplings. I think I'm gonna head back over this way because that way there was like a jungle and it just I don't think the Pale Garden is close to jungles. I think it's in like colder areas. There is powdered snow on this hillside, so we're gonna have to drop through the plains. Hi sheeps. Mind if I grab some wool from ya? Thanks. I don't know what I need it for, but I don't know, feels like a waste to not. And we have eggs. Cool, we can make pumpkin pies. Let's go over this way. This area looks interesting. A little bit of iron here. lots of iron and a pretty big cave. This would be fun to build around, but also kind of terrifying to build around. Just such big cliffs. Let's get some spruce saplings. And we have 2 more. Okay, let's keep traveling. Oh, powdered stone. Okay. More powdered stone. We're gonna try to avoid that. Whoa! Guys, this is so cool over here. Look at these huge cliffs. There's dark oak way over there. Let's go that way. I think that's gonna be our best bet to find some pale oak. But this place is crazy. Look at this. Oh my gosh. So pretty. Minecraft is amazing, guys. Luckily, it's morning, so if there is pale oak, we won't have to deal with the creaking. I don't think they come out in the daytime. And then we can go back to where I hope we will be able to base. I say hope because I don't have an idea for builds yet, but I'm gonna look at some inspiration once I have some more blocks. I just wanted to make sure that we would be able to find pale oak before hinging my builds off of a block that I might not be able to find. There's water. There they are. There's a wolf. Wait, are you a white wolf? No, you're just a pale wolf. Okay. I was gonna say, that'd be crazy. Okay, these take a while to chop down. I'm also gonna grab some of this because I don't know how it works, but I feel like I should have some. I assume it's just like vines and they grow. Oh, I should also get some of this moss. Let's try to get out of here before it gets dark. I don't want to have to fight any creaking or run from any creaking, I guess is probably more accurate. I didn't